Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to manage passwords in the VUIA browser on your mobile device. If you want to prevent the browser from saving your passwords automatically, this video will guide you through the simple settings. First, open VUIA browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu icon. Then, tap on Settings to access the browser configuration options. Inside the Settings page, find and tap on General. After that, find the Password Manager section and tap on it to open. Now you will see an option labeled Offer to Save Password. Finally, uncheck this option to stop the browser from prompting you to save passwords in the future. This change will ensure that your login information is not stored automatically, giving you more control over your account security. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.